Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I will try to take some trades. And my first trade will be this little breakout. Let's get it. I take this sell right here. And the reason behind this sell is pretty simple. We have a third touch breakout. Okay, first touch, second touch, and third touch happening right here. It's a breakout. And we have also gap up in the favor of sellers. I'm pretty sure, let me just add one more because my first entry is not very good. If I draw a common point of rejection, it's exactly there as well. So I'm expecting a red candle on this pair. I will look for other opportunities as well. Today's market looks good to me, unlike previous session. Oh, look at this well-respected resistance area, and then it broke, but the decision point is somewhere down here. We could take advantage of this huge gap down and take this, but I think the decision point will be somewhere down here, which I will check it right now. All right, no, it's exactly reacting from this demand area. So this gap down right here was awesome to take the trade. Unfortunately, we didn't take this trade. It was very nice to take. Yeah, so I will just keep looking. This trade is about to close. Oh, it was on 2 minutes. Oh my god. Alright, so if you look at this market, basically the market structure also is in a ranging kind of market. And we know that when we have a ranging market keeps switching between the upper and lower level. And most likely it will react from the resistance and support, so we can trust it if we have a setup. Okay, in this ranging market we have this resistance up here, and the market is basically creating this breakout setup right on the resistance. Okay, it's not creating here, it's not creating down here, it's on the resistance, so it's in the direction of the market's potential direction. Okay, so that's so important. We have a fresh 1 minute demand right here, which is an ABC. If we go to the lower time frame at this pair, we would find some fresh changes to the lower time frame. We should be able to find the fresh, just like that. I entered right here. Let's go. This is the fresh demand for me. There's another fresh demand right down here. If it comes down by any chance, I will also take this one as well. All right, it was a bit, oh my god, I was expecting it to close right on this candle. No problem. Alright, so ABCs in general, they are basically supply and demand, right? So we have this ugly QM right here. This is the QM zone, and this is the entry, okay? This is the entry for us. The entry should always be below the initial zone of a QM, okay? Some of you might ask, what is a QM? The QM is pretty simple. We have been coming down, and all of a sudden we break the previous swing. Okay, we have been coming down, all of a sudden we break the previous swing. After that we have this QM zone right down here. Okay, I can draw it right now, just like that. This is the QM zone and this is the pattern. Okay, so then we go to the lower time frame to find the entry. And if we see ABC like this, and this is a fresh demand, we have something inside of this fresh demand for sure. It makes the job much easier. we go to the 15 second, you can see fresh demand, right? This is the bigger ABC. If you look at the 1 minute chart, you will see this, right? And this right here, it's inside of it. So it's in layers of demand area, which makes it super strong. And it rejects the market, okay? Sometimes we have trend lines as well, which makes it like super stronger, just like this one. So we never want to miss this kind of trades. I would keep looking. This is another QM. See, we have been coming down and then boom, break the previous swing. And now this is the QM zone. If I, after drawing the QM zone, there's some series of finding confirmations, okay? For example, here we have the well-respected resistance, and now we are at the, we are on another setup. Let me just take this one as well, this one first, and then I will explain the QM down there. This right here I'm marking, it doesn't have nothing to do with the QM below. This is another setup, which we call it a decision point setup. If I go to 15 second, we have this entry right here. If the price comes down by any chance, it will react at least a little bit. And then if it comes down to this QM, it will also react from this one, right? So let me just draw everything. It might be a bit confusing for you right now because we have both QM and a decision point setup right here. I'll make this red. This is the red for QM, and this is blue for decision point, okay? So the decision point is basically when we have a well-respected resistance area and then it suddenly breaks. Inside of this ABC to the upside, we will have something to rely for the going with the breakout, okay? So here we have ABC, and inside of this ABC, we should have something, and this is the well-respected resistance, okay? So the decision point will be down here. Let me just go to lower time frame once again. Yeah, let me just mark this area. This is going to be the entry. About the QM, we have this setup right down here, QM zone and the entry for the QM. So we have potential 2 trades right on this chart. Okay, this is another one. If you look, this is a well-respected resistance area. Okay, and the breakout happened right here. Next time price comes in, we can find some fresh demand inside of this fresh supply, fresh demand in 1 minute, and then it will react from it, okay? It's so obvious. Markets keeps doing it over and over and over and over. I'm just marking. It's already worked out. This one, I mean. We will keep going to the lower time frame until we find a fresh demand. If we not seeing the fresh demand, we simply do not take a trade, okay? Remember. All right, so this is the fresh demand for us. It's on 5 second chart. If your fresh demand consists of a doji, just mark the whole doji. But if that's a normal candle, just mark the lower part of it. So this is going to be the entry for us. Let's go back to 1 minute. And if you look, oh, it didn't. Let me just. It bugged out. I marked it. It just shows the bigger mark in the higher time. Oh yeah, now it's fixed. So the entry would be exactly right here. Okay. For this decision point trading. Same as this one. But the more clear it is, it's gonna be more easier, right? So now it didn't really come down. I'm sure it's reacting from something, but I don't care. If it was coming down, I would take it. Otherwise, I wouldn't take it. So now it reacted from here. Okay, let's see what's causing this reaction, right? Because everything in the market has a reason. Let me see what is causing this reaction. Yes, this demand right here is causing the reaction, but we don't care, and we will consider this as a missed opportunity or something like that. But if it comes down, I will take it anyways. Let's just keep looking for the best possible trades. You can't be frustrated missing some trades, or, you know, even making a mistake of marking a bad entry or something like that. It happens all the time for me, but it will not affect your results if you keep taking the best possible trades. All right, we have two potential trades. Let me just see. All right, I take the sell right here. This is a doji break. So basically, the market is moving this way. Unless this is the time for the breakout, and we will lose this trade if that happens. And the bad thing about this is it's not in a ranging market, it's in a trending market. So overall, this is not a very good trade. Oh my God. All right. We'll also look for oh my God, this was very nice. I entered right here. 2 trades. This is nice little Marbuzu candle. My entries are bad on this one, man. No way. My entries was so bad on this. This was a breakout trade, okay? First touch, second touch, third touch, high, high. And then breakout happened right here. And the breakout basically consists of a Marbuzu candle. And we know that the Marbuzu candle is a reversal candle. And we have this kind of movement in the market, right? And then all of a sudden we see exhaustion candle. So it will get the buyers at least for one candle. And I wanted to take this, take advantage of it. But my entries was somewhere up here. We lost 2 trades on this one, but the trades on this doji break was a winning trade. Okay, I take this trade right now. This one at least is in the direction of the trend, and also we have gap down, so this one is much better trade compared to this one. This one was against the trend, also gap down against the buyers, but this one is with the trend, also gap down in the favor of buyers. So this is a short shot for me, but this was a risky for me. And about this trade right here, this is just my fault again. This is a correct trade to take. Breakout, third touch breakout, and the reversal sign right here, at least for one candle. Marbuzu candle is a reversal candle, single candlestick pattern. And my entries was bad on this one based on FOMO. I deserved to lose this one. But this one, super clear. Which one was it? This one's super clear. And I think we are fair enough. Can't complain. Sometimes we can get frustrated, right? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this session. There's a special offer going on for the next batch of the mentorship, and it's going to be the last batch with lifetime support. If you're interested, just check the Telegram channel, link in the description. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.